Hi everyone, and welcome to our brand new series called How To. I'm going to walk you through how to craft loads of different projects, from cards and gift boxes, party favours, home decor and so much more. I'm Sarah Davies and I'm the founder of Crafters Companion, and in this series we're going to be focusing on using all of our scoreboards and learning how to make loads of different gift bags and gift boxes. So whether you'd consider yourselves an absolute beginner or quite the seasoned crafter, with the help of this series, I promise you we're going to take your paper crafting to the next level. Now, before we jump into our first project, I want to just cover off the basics of scoring, okay? So how to get a perfect crisp scoreline. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take your cardstock, and whether you're scoring with one of your scoreboards or the Ultimate Pro, we're always going to lie our cardstock on the side, butted up against the edge. And you're going to use one of your scoring tools, and we're just going to run gently over the groove. Now, if you're working on a patterned cardstock, what I want you to do is always score onto the patterned side, and then what you do is you fold away from it. Okay, so you always score on the top, fold away from it. And the reason we do this is, if you imagine the fibres of the card all working in together like this, okay, as soon as you run the score line down them, those fibres will expand on the top, and where they're expanded, you've got that space to fold it over. What you don't want to be doing is scoring on the top. You'll see the fibres underneath get put under a lot of pressure and then folded away from itself. That's where you get the breakage on your card. So you're always scoring onto the top of the cardstock. You're going to lift your card away, fold away from itself, and then the last really crucial bit is you're going to take the side of your tool and you're going to burnish that score line, okay? Now you'll notice I've got different heads on my scoring tool. So we do two different types of scoring tools. You've got a very fine point. You've also got a medium and a large head. So one tool has your fine and your flat. The other one has a medium and a large head. What you'll find is the bigger the scoring tool, the easier it is to create that groove in your cardstock, but the less accurate your scoreline will be. So if accuracy isn't key and you want a decorative score, for example, always use the largest head. If you're scoring a very thick material or you need lots of accuracy, so if you're making an envelope or if we're scoring onto acetate, for example, that's when we're going to use the smallest head. But if you are using that smallest head, be really careful, because even scoring like this, if I press too hard, what will happen is you'll notice you will get that crack in your cardstock, which is exactly what we're wanting to avoid. So you're going to go with nice, gentle score lines. You're going to give that a little bit of give, fold it over, and you'll notice not a crack in sight. So whether it's gift boxes or treat bags, now that we've got the basic foundations of scoring in place, I'm going to run you through loads of different projects that you can make using all of your scoring tools.